Hold steady on the ropes.
Contact in 3, 2, 1, clear.
Pressure stabilizing at nominal levels. Seal integrity confirmed.
Acknowledged. We are clear for initialization.
The nozzle geometry matches the digital twin data exactly.
Data integrity confirmed.
The system classifies the incoming raw data stream, 60% designated for thrust analysis and 40%. These cables transmit diagnostic pulses, verifying the health of every sensor.
Systems check complete. Fuel flow nominal. Total logging at speed.
Chief.
The variable geometry flaps of the Saturn AL-41F1S execute a controlled articulation sequence.
The redundancy check confirms secure capture of the massive pre-burn sequence authorized. Initiating partial afterburner conditioning and thermal equilibrium. Dynamic pressure readings confirm maximum efficiency. The boundary layer data looks good for Process A.
The boundary layer pressure readings here are inconsistent with the simulation.
Check the consistency against the physical test data over here.
The AI runs iterative simulations, refining the optimal thrust performance dataset and
Optimal thrust performance dataset physical packaging introduction. The encrypted solid-state drive awaits the finalized thrust data. product A moves toward the cold storage vault, the optimal thrust performance dataset confirms process A is complete and ready for inventory.
Optimal thrust performance dataset redundancy confirmed. Raw data consistency lock verified. Data integrity secured.
Optimal thrust performance dataset process A shutdown, confirming all computational and physical tasks are finalized, strictly adhering to the process separation lock.
The data stream is active. Bring up the IR profile for Zone 3. The signature looks higher than the baseline.
Confirmed. Cross-referencing the pyrometer logs now.
Look at the isotherm distribution here at the nozzle lip. The signature is elevated.
Yes, the thermal masking efficiency is below projection in this quadrant.
This section here, the red zone on the AL41F1S, needs priority classification.
Agreed. Tagging it now for the signature profile report.
Cross-referencing the thermal signature against the structural limits.
It holds. The reduced IR profile is feasible without compromising the thrust performance.
In the secure process B zone, the reduced infrared signature profile moves from digital SSD to a tangible, classified document.
The thermal signature is still too high at the nozzle lip.
Adjusting the coating thickness here reduces the IR output without compromising the titanium alloy.
The CFD simulations assess the Saturn AL41F1S turbofan engine nozzle assembly.
A precision laser etches the final classification onto the report, linking it directly to the AL41F1S turbofan assembly.
The reduced infrared signature profile report, Product B, is securely sealed and bound as it moves along the conveyor to the final quality assurance station.
Once sealed, the technician scans the lock, linking the reduced infrared signature profile report to the tracking manifest, confirming security. Secure delivery manifest 82 IR, confirming reduced infrared signature profile receipt.
Confirmed, officer. Transfer initiated.
The data confirms an 85% reduction in thermal output, exceeding the requirements for the infrared signature profile of Product B. The data within this report confirms the reduced infrared signature. This allows us to move forward with the strategic integration phase immediately.
We need to ensure the emissivity parameters match the classified report exactly. Done.
The visualization confirms the thermal mitigation on the exhaust.
This hard copy confirms the reduced signature profile.
Much easier to verify the specs this way, sir.
Ensure the masking aligns with the infrared profile diagram. The heat shield cannot be exposed.
Confirmed. We are ready for Product B application.
The deep blue readings confirm the low emissivity. The signature reduction is a success.
It matches the report exactly.
The final thermal inspection data confirms the reduced infrared signature profile is accurate. We have achieved the required specifications.
Flight ground check on reduced IR signature profile.
Sensor array confirms nominal thermal signature on the new coating.
Automated scan complete, all parameters green.
The special advised IR sensors confirm the Su-35's significant reduced infrared signature, validating the strategies detailed in the product.
The coating integrity is holding up exactly as projected in the report. Confirmed. The signature profile is nominal.